Hello and welcome to my channel. Are you looking for a festive and stylish way to wear your hair this Christmas season? This video is a compilation of festive hair inspiration featuring a variety of braids perfect for the Christmas season. From classic Fulani braids and knotless braids to trendy passion twists and styles for short hair, and even coily braids, there is something for everyone. Get ready to dazzle this Christmas with these stunning braided hairstyles. Braids are a versatile and timeless hairstyle that can be dressed up or down for any occasion. I have rounded up some of our favorite Christmas braiding hairstyles that are sure to turn heads this season. From classic braids to intricate updos, there is a Christmas braid for everyone. You can take inspiration from our ideas and ask your stylist to recreate them for you this Christmas. Classic braids are a timeless and elegant choice for any occasion. They can be worn alone or combined with other hairstyles for a more intricate look. Just because you have a short hair does not mean you can't rock a braided hairstyle this Christmas. There are plenty of cute and festive braided hairstyles that are perfect for short hair. Make sure you watch this video till the end to see more hairstyle inspiration you can try out this Christmas season. See you at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this Christmas braiding hairstyle ideas. With a little creativity, you can create a festive and stylish look that is perfect for the holiday season. If you find any hairstyle inspiration you would try, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy holidays.